Hey guys, just want to make a quick video here for you. Thanks for checking out our channel, by the way, Rocky Ridge Auto. Please give us a like and a subscribe for more helpful tips. Anyway, 23 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. This thing just came out of service. We serviced it, but we did see it went away, but that wrench light stayed on. So I'm going to show you how to clear that. It's very easy. Turn the car off. We're going to hit this info button. See it pop up there. I'm going to hold it until it starts flashing. Release. Press it again. Do we want to clear it? Yes, we do. I'm telling you, does it get any easier than that? Start it back up. And that wrench is gone. It's been serviced, so we cleared it. Now we're set for the next 5,000 miles. Thank you for checking us out here at Rocky Ridge Auto. Please, again, like and subscribe for more helpful tips.